How to fix Instagram account disabled. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram account disabled. So for that, the first thing what you can do is submit an in-app appeal. Just open your Instagram app, then enter your username and your password, then tap login. Now when the pop-up notification states your account is disabled, tap disagree with decision or request review. Then follow the on-screen prompts. You will likely be asked to input an OTP sent to your phone number and enter your registered email address. Now the next thing what you can do is, if you cannot log in to trigger the in-app appeal, you can simply navigate to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari. Then navigate to Instagram Help Center. Go to the website. Then search for about disabled Instagram accounts and select the official policy page. Then look for the designated appeal form link. Now fill out your full name, Instagram username, email address, and a brief polite description explaining that you believe your account was disabled by mistake and that you always follow the Instagram community guidelines. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.